In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the water temperature sensor in your dishwasher. So you're going to need a multimeter, and you're going to need to put your setting on about 2000 ohms. And this is different from a thermostat. This is a thermistor. So it basically is telling the control board some information based on the resistance inside this sensor. So as the water temperature goes up and down, the resistance inside this changes, and it's that change that tells the control board what the water temperature is, and then it can make decisions as to whether to keep heating the water or to move it through into the next part of the cycle. So taking our multimeter, we're going to take one lead and put it on one terminal, and our other lead on the other terminal. And we are getting, and we're in room temperature right now, about 44 ohms. So I'm just going to wrap my hand around this. And we'll be starting to see a change in the resistance from what was originally 44, now we're 40, down to 41. And the more heat I apply to it, the more there'll be a change in the resistance. If I remove the heat source, or remove my hand, and let the temperature go back to what it was, we'll see that the resistance changes again. So this thermistor is good. So what you're looking for is not a continuity of a circuit right through it. You're looking to be able to read the resistance of it and see it change as you heat it and as it cools. So if your thermistor is doing that, then you know that it is fully operational. If it's not doing that, if you don't get a resistance reading or you're not seeing any change, then you're going to need to replace it.